Hey Cherry Bears, I'm back with two special packages and I'm going to be unboxing them. I wonder what's inside of them. I'm going to start with this square package. Let's bring this package closer to the camera. So I'm going to show you around it really quick. Here are the sides, the front, the other side, and the back. Now let's open this package. Wow, it's a brand new Crybabies doll. Her name is Emma. This doll is called Emma's Morning Routine. Let me show you the pictures of her. First, it says 25 sounds and reactions. First, you get to brush her teeth, put the toothpaste, and then comb her hair. She also cries, and she claps and dances. Let's flip it to the other side. It shows another girl playing with her. Now to the back. It shows the same pictures. How cool is that? And on the other side, it shows you all of the accessories she comes with. It says, "Try me." It looks like you have to press her heart. Let's go ahead and see how she works. Oh, cool, she's clapping. Look, guys. That's really cool, isn't it? And her eyes light up. Let's get her open. I'm going to turn her around. Let's get this thing open. Alright guys, this is what she looked like out of the cardboard. Here's a close-up of her and her accessories. Super cute. Super cute, right? Now let's check out her accessories. She comes with a purple brush, a spoon, a tube of toothpaste, a toothbrush, and a wipe. And her included. I'll give you one last close-up of her before I take her out of this cardboard. Look at her little shoes. Aren't they so cute? Now I'm going to take her out of this cardboard. Okay guys, I got her out of the cardboard and this is what she looks like. Now I'm going to give you a quick 360 spin of her. She's so cute. I love her colorful hair. It really makes up with her outfit, including her shoes and her cute little butterfly wings. I'm going to sit her down right here while I unbox the rest of her stuff. Alright everyone, this is what her and her accessories look like out of the cardboard all together. And now it's time to test the doll. Let's see how she works. First, let's unstrap her dress for a second. And by the way, this is where her speaker is located, and her battery pack is in the back of her head. So, if the camera will focus, good. Right now, I turned her on off mode so that way it doesn't waste any battery, but now I'm going to turn her on, so let's turn her on. Did you hear her happy giggles? Now let's test her out. Oh, she's dancing, guys. That's so cute. I didn't even do anything yet. Alright, let's finish she's lip trilling. Let's finish strapping her back up. Why are you so tired? Oh no, she's crying, guys. It's okay. What's this? Oh, she's feeling better now. wrong? Let's try to feed her. She burped. She's clapping. Let's feed her again. I guess every time you complete her needs, she gets really happy. Let's put her to a side right here. She's making all these cute noises. Alright, let's brush her teeth. Let's see. Guess you don't like getting her teeth brushed. Wow, guys, it's very interactive. It has a magnet that she interacts with. Yeah. Let's brush her teeth again. Alright, let's try that again. Just one more. Say, ah. Yeah. Let's go ahead and brush her hair now. I'm sure you'll like that. Oh, she's dancing again, guys. Alright, while she's dancing, let's brush her hair. Just lightly. Now let's turn her around. I think she's interacting with the hairbrush, guys. That's super cool. I guess all of her stuff has a magnet in it. You're such a happy baby. Let's brush her hair some more. I guess you have to touch the hard part in her head. Why are you crying? What's the matter? Here. Okay, let's try and feed her. There, that made her feel better. Let's burp her. She thinks that's funny, guys. She's dancing, look. Let's wipe her mouth after I brushed her teeth. I guess she doesn't really interact with this napkin, unfortunately. She's been crying a lot, guys. What's the matter? And for the people who are wondering, yes, the dress can come off. No, the shoes cannot come off. The headband, no, it also cannot come off. And no, I don't think her hair extends. I think it just stays like that, since she's only a toddler. Also, guys, if you're wondering where the button is, it's right here on her little chest, if you're wondering how to activate her. I think it's so cute that she comes with these cute little yellow butterfly wings on the back of her dress. I think that adds more to her character. Oh, guys, I just realized what this napkin was for. Here, let's turn her on again to see if it works. There we go. Let's wipe her hands. She likes that. I think it's tickling her. Let's try the backs of it. Yeah, she's reacting to it, guys. I think she likes the feeling of the napkin. I wonder what happens if I bounce her. Oh, she doesn't like that. It's okay, it's okay. There we go. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you leave her alone for 1 minute, she'll usually become inactive after a while. She's dancing again, guys. She doesn't want to sit still. Let's feed you some. Oh, she's dancing again. So cool, guys. Look, she's still dancing, guys. She's a really happy baby. I like the music that comes with her dancing. Well, now that we've got her and her accessories out of the way, it's time to open this box. So first, I'm going to flip it around and pull it closer to you guys. Look, guys, I have a brand new stroller. Let's take it out of the box. And here's what it looks like out of the box. This is a Crybaby stroller, just for her. This is a Crybaby stroller, just for her. Now let's get this thing open. Easy and simple. Now let's see if she wants to get in the stroller. Baby, do you want to test out your new stroller?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Okay. Up you go. Let's see. Sit you down and see if you like it. Wow, and it fits her perfectly, guys. I'm going to show you around the stroller. Here's the side, the back, the other side, and the front. Now I'm going to push her around in it to see how she likes it. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I loved it.
I'm glad you did. She kept falling back in the stroller, but besides that, she had lots of fun. Next time, I'll probably strap her more tighter so that way she'll stop falling back. Are you ready to get out of the stroller?
Yeah.
All right, up you go. Now that I've got her out of the stroller, it's time for the name and age reveal.
Yay! Name and age reveal! Name and age reveal!
You're such a happy baby. Anyway, back to the name and age reveal.